today's video, we're gonna be talking about sequences. Alright, so sequences are simple. There are just some few rules that you need to follow. Okay, so we look at this question. It says that here are 5 first terms in a number sequence: 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. Find the 10th term. So the key is this: we're gonna skip question A and we go to question B, because in doing question B we actually find the formula of how we're gonna answer question A. So what we do is, first and foremost, you have to look at what is the difference. So if we look here, to go from 7 to 10, we are adding, let me just write it on top there, we're adding 3. Okay, and if we check from 10 to 13, we're also adding 3. From 13 to 16, we're adding 3, and so forth and so on. So what you do is you write there 3n. All right, then you ask yourself a question: from this 3 to go to the first term being 7, all right, what do we do? 3 plus what is 7? So we know that 3 plus 4 is 7. So that means our nth term formula is 3n plus 4. And we can use this to find any term in the sequence. So let's test it a bit with what is already given. So let's say, for example, we're looking for the third term. So we are going to write 3, then we replace the n with the third term, that is a 3 there, close bracket, plus 4. All right, so we already know that brackets means multiply. So we're gonna say 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 plus 4 gives us a cool 13, and that is actually the third term. Are you seeing it? 1, 2, 3. So now that we have our formula, we can find any term. We can even find the 100th term. But in this case, we've been asked to find the 10th term. So what we're gonna do, get our formula, replace the n with 10, because we're looking for the 10th term. All right, close bracket, plus 4. All right, 3 times 10 is 30, and 30 plus 4 is a cool 34. All right, so just as a recap, what you do when you have simple sequences, you first find the common difference, or what the sequence is going by. Some can count in 3s, some can count in 5s, some can actually count down. All right, so some can even subtract. So at the end of the day, the key is the difference is what you put there, and you put an n. Then you ask yourself, from that key difference, how much do we add or subtract to go to the first term? Once you have that, you have your nth term formula. Because if it says write an expression, this is an expression, because you can use this to find any term in the sequence. So it is so simple. You just have to practice, keep on doing many questions so that you can understand it much better. See you in the next one.